Hey guys, how's it going? Been a while since I've done a video. I I planned on making a video every single day for about a month and try and see how that was gonna go. Obviously, didn't really go that well, but I'm back and excuse me. Hang on, I'm gonna adjust this real quick. See if I can. There we go. I'm working off my laptop right now, so kind of But anyway, so I was driving around yesterday, and I'm gonna go ahead and post this question to you guys. If anybody out there, who just so happens to watch this, if you've got any experience with this same problem, you know, let me know. Comment, whatever. I don't care. But I've got a '99 Civic. Fucking laugh, whatever. I don't care. It's got the single slammer in it, the D16Y8. But I was driving it around yesterday. Didn't really notice anything. Check engine light comes on, and so I'm thinking I'm not running a catalytic converter on it, so I'm thinking it's that. So I just so happened to be passing by Advance. I figured I'd stop in and have them run it on the computer and see what it says. Well, it brought up for the second time that it had a misfire on the number one, two, three, and four cylinder. Now, that doesn't really make sense to me. Like, if it was only happening on the first and second cylinder, or the first cylinder, or the third, or whatever like that, then, I'd say spark plugs or wires or something. But for it to be happening on all four, like, if the check engine light wouldn't have came on, I wouldn't have known that anything was the matter. But, yeah, I've looked around on forums and everything like that, and most people are telling me that the timing belt probably skipped a tooth or something, throwing the timing a little bit off. You know, the only bad thing is where it's the Y8, I'd have to completely, well, actually, in all of the D series and B series and well, K series and all of them actually, you have to take the valve cover off to mess around with the timing belt. So I have to get a valve cover gasket, and I figured since I'm in there, might as well paint the valve cover too. I've already had it painted red, but it was a really shitty job that I did. I didn't even actually take the valve cover off the motor. So I've got overspray all over the place, and it's just really shitty. But anyway, um, I've been trying to bang around in my head and see what it could possibly be. I'm thinking that the timing belt skipped a tooth and it's throwing the timing off, which is making the distributor run off the timing, which is making all of the banks, you know, not fire in the right order. Um, Now, I don't have any experience with it. From what I've read, that kind of makes sense to me. I'm just kind of throwing it out there. But like I said, just gonna make a quick video for you guys. Kind of, I've got a Halloween party to go to Saturday with the girl. That's another thing. I actually recently started dating this Brooke chick that I was talking about a couple videos back. We kind of started dating and everything, so things are going good. I'm actually supposed to be going, like I said, to a Halloween party with her Saturday, so fingers crossed on that one that goes good. I don't really know, but anyway, should be fun either way. But yeah, hopefully I can get this misfire situated and everything. Like I said, if you guys have any input on it, if you have a similar problem, then leave your comments, inputs, whatever. Leave them nice. Come on, I don't want to deal with anybody like that. Oh, another thing is that motor's only got like 153,000 miles, so and the timing belt was replaced at 100,000 miles, so not it's not a real old timing belt. I mean, it's 50,000 miles is well a little over 50,000 miles is quite a lot, but still, I mean, I wouldn't expect to change one until like 75 or almost 200. So, but anyway, like I said, appreciate you guys listening to me ramble and shit like that. Uh, Take it easy. Like I said, hit that like, subscribe button. I'm gonna try and be posting up a lot more videos here soon. So, a lot more mishaps and shit like that. So, actually going to this Cars and Coffee thing here probably next month. Gonna be driving my buddy's VR6 Volkswagen, so that'll be kind of fun. We'll be rolling in the R32 Volkswagen, the '04 GLI Jetta Volkswagen, and the '04 VR6 Golf. So that'll be kind of cool. We'll be rubbing rubbing in dubs. We'll be rolling in dubs. I should tell them that, rubbing in dubs. That's kind of funny. But like I said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Appreciate you guys listening to me ramble and everything. So y'all take it easy. Have a good one. Stay sideways.